Sitemap. Under Site Settings, and then the tab Sitemap, you're going to see your sitemap. If you have not created a sitemap yet, you can click Create Sitemap. You'll see it opens as a new tab. This will give you all the pages on your site currently published. Search engines such as Google use sitemaps in order to know what pages and the structure of your site. You can submit this sitemap URL into Google for it to index your sitemap. Make sure when you create a new page or you unpublish a page on your site that you recreate the sitemap each time. If you don't want a page or a URL to show, just make sure that you go into that page and you unpublish the page and recreate the sitemap, and then that page will not show in the sitemap.